Do you want a tour of my house?
This is the front entry. It's a secret door. This space is completely custom built. It took me 2 months to build to go up these awesome stairs to the top. The kitchen, my famous button backsplash. The living room with custom built shelving. You have to check this out. It lights up, isn't it so pretty? This table just arrived today. Off the dining room is the bathroom. This tile, I sort of designed it myself. And here's one of my favorite things. This is an epic shower head. Can you imagine just like being sprayed by all these nozzles? The only thing it might need is something on this wall.
Oh, what if I put a mirror? And then it would reflect the tile. Should I put a mirror right there?
Let me know in the comments. This is just a boring closet. Nothing to see there. The primary bedroom. I always get these kind of lights. And when you turn it on, the blades pop out. If you have space to put a hammock in your house, you totally should, because they are the absolute best. The primary bathroom. The coolest feature in here is the sinks that light up and that, but it's not fixed yet. I'm still working on that. This is just chains that I hung from the ceiling. All of the light bulbs are smart bulbs. I have one more thing I have to show you. You have to go outside to see it. It's glowing.